never done this before, you guys can come along with me. So right now I'm just putting it together how I think it goes. Goes in here, I'm guessing. That's nice and smooth. Steering wheel goes. So if you were to turn the steering wheel tie rod that way, which would steering that way, pushing it, pulling it, holding it, pushing it, pulling it. This is the tie rod and end link and all that. Has to go there. They both just wait. So now I have to cut them. To shorten them. And then maybe weld them. Hopefully I get enough steering out of it. So we'll find that figured out. Alright, I got a decent little idea, but I'm going to try it. This will be the first steering setup. I'm going to cut this to length, weld it, then maybe put another one on the back half, forward and back, to line up with the knuckle, essentially. Locked in where I want it. Then I build up from there. Hopefully that's a decent distance with the steering wheel. One thing at a time. What my bulbs look like before. Okay, I got 15 of them.
Oh.
Push away.
I'm gonna put like this so it looks like you're actually going through something super fast right there. I'm gonna put flames on it, take the background out.
Alright, sit on it. Don't kick that farther. That's good. I think that's kind of where I want it. Get comfy like you're gonna be driving. Like where would you think the throttle would be? There you go.